Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USACLEAN for over 11 years, and this is the x18WD wet dry vac. Now in this video series, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's also going to help you minimize the cost and need of sending a service technician. Okay, so you need to replace your suction hose because there's a tear or it's damaged in some way, or you just want to use the extended hose that comes with your new machine. So all you got to do is remove it from the squeegee, like that, and then up top on the machine, counterclockwise, and it spins right out of there. Now, you want to put your new one on clockwise, turn it on, make sure it's nice, good, and tight. Reattach it to your squeegee, if that's what you want, or your wand attachment. And that's it. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, and thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.